Lisa, do you really have to leave our school? Yes, Sarah. I really need to go. But Lisa, that can't be the end. I'm so sorry, Sarah. But that is really the end. Dad, I need your help.
What's up, Lisa?
Something bad happened?
What is going on?
I've received another reprimand.
Why did you get a reprimand?
I wanted to take revenge on Clara. But she was a step ahead of me.
What does that mean?
I destroyed their poster. I know that was wrong. But I was just so upset. I needed to do something.
It wasn't a good idea, Lisa. What did the director say about that?
She therefore gave me a reprimand.
Does she have proof?
Yes, there is a video.
That is inconvenient.
Is there nothing we can do? I don't want to leave school. All my friends are there. What am I supposed to do, Dad?
I'm so sorry, Lisa. I know it's not fair. But you must move on. We need a solution. I think we should look for a new school.
But I don't want a new school. I want to stay in school.
I'll try to talk to the director. But I can't promise that it'll do anything.
Thank you, Dad.
I'll do everything I can to keep you in school, Lisa.
Yes, hello. Mesk here.
Hello, Mrs. Mesk. This is Mr. Peters, Lisa's father.
Hello, Mr. Peters. What can I do for you?
Lisa just got home. She is devastated.
Did she also tell you what she did? She destroyed another student's poster. We cannot tolerate that here. I had no choice. I had to reprimand her.
Can't you give her another chance? But she is only 10 years old. She definitely doesn't want to leave school. She feels good in her school. and that's where all her friends are.
She had plenty of opportunities, Mr. Peters. I actually warned them a few days ago. She ignored my warning. I don't like doing that. But I have no choice. I'm sorry, Lisa has to leave school. Maybe she'll learn from that. Try to look at it positively.
Okay, I got it. There is no other option anymore. We'll try to find a new school for Lisa. Thank you very much for your time, Mrs. Mesk.
And Dad? What did the director say?
I'm so sorry, Lisa. But you really need to get out of school. Go to your room and get some rest. I'm going to look for a new school for you.
Where are we going, Dad?
I've got a surprise for you, Lisa. I've found a new school. It's not far away. Besides, you already know someone there.
Who do you mean?
You'll find out soon. Just be patient.
Hello. You must be Lisa, right? Yes, that's right. My name is Lisa. It's good to see you again. I am Mrs. Coons. Attention, dear students. We have a new student in our class. Lisa, you are welcome to sit on the vacant seat. Thank you, Mrs. Coons. So guys, where did I stop? Oh yes, I wanted to talk about a very important topic.
Hey Lisa, what's up? I am Marius.
Hi Marius. It's nice to meet you.
Maybe we could have an ice cream together or something.
Sure, why not?
Cool.
Hey Lisa. I am Susie. Hi Susie. If you want, we can be best friends. Ah yes, let's see. Laura. What are you doing here? I go to school here. Wow, how great. So we're going to the same school now? Yes, that's right. Good news is finally here.
Good morning, dear students. Today we are covering a very important topic. So please listen carefully.
Mr. Coons, where is Lisa?
Lisa had to leave our school.
So she won't come back?
No, unfortunately that is not possible. Okay, let's get started. We can't waste any time.
Clara, you lied. What? Me? I would never lie. Lisa had to leave school because of you. I don't understand what you mean, Sarah. Why don't we be best friends? What are you thinking? That is out of the question. I would never be friends with you. You're not nice, you're just mean. Hey, be careful. Or do you also want to get 3 referrals? I can get rid of you in the blink of an eye. Don't think you're special. I'm going to stop you, Clara. Once and for all. Guys, we've got to do something. Clara is about to destroy everything. We need to get them done before it's too late. But what should we do? We can't win against Clara. She is always one step ahead of us. We need to do something she doesn't expect. We must think like Clara. How should we do that? She is a monster. We're just kids. Let's think about it for a minute. How did Lisa get her second reprimand? Clara recorded the conversation and showed it to the director. That's it. We'll beat them with their own means. What do you mean by that? Clara trusts you the most, Marcus. Here is what you're going to do. Hi, Clara. Shoo. We're in the library, you can't talk here. Oh, it doesn't matter. You're bad, just like me. I like that. How are you, sweetie? So the way you tricked Lisa was really brilliant. Tell me, How exactly did you do that? Oh, that was very easy. I've recorded our conversation. Then I cut out a few pieces to make it look like she's threatening me. It was all part of my plan. I really wanted to get rid of Lisa. Now I've achieved my goal. Why are you asking? Oh, just like that. Thank you, Clara. No problem, Marcus. Let me know if you want to eat an ice cream. I'll do that. Did it work, Marcus? Yes, it worked. Your plan was brilliant, Sarah. Perfect, then we can go to the director now. And tell her the truth. Sarah, Marcus? What are you doing here? We'd like to bring Lisa back. That is not possible. Lisa has already changed schools. Clara is a liar. She planned it all out. Lisa has already said that. But there is no evidence. We've got proof this time. We've recorded a conversation with Clara. In the conversation, she admits everything. Listen to it. Oh my gosh. Lisa was right. We need to get them back.
Who would like to go out for ice cream with Lisa? A. Mark. B. Marius. C. Susie. Write a comment.